Hello everybody, welcome back to this channel. Well, in today's video I'm gonna discuss some daily use English sentences. Hope you will like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. तुम्हें मेरी ज़िंदगी में दखल अंदाज़ी देने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. When somebody try to interfere in your life, so you can say you don't need to interfere in my life. पहले तुम मेरी बात सुनते हो, उसके बाद तुम ढिंढोरा पीटते हो. फर्स्ट यू लिसन टू मी, आफ्टर दैट यू टेल द वर्ल्ड. फर्स्ट यू लिसन टू मी, आफ्टर दैट यू टेल द वर्ल्ड. मैं काफ़ी हद तक इसे कर चुका हूँ. आई हैव डन इट टू अ ग्रेट एक्सटेंट. आई हैव डन इट टू अ ग्रेट एक्सटेंट. आओ मेरी गोद में बैठ जाओ. कम एंड सिट ऑन माई लैप. कम and sit on my lap. On is a preposition over here. उसका बेटा मेरी गोदी में बैठ गया. His son sat. It is a second form because it past and definite tense. We are gonna use second form above. His son sat on my lap. मैं ऐशो आराम की ज़िंदगी जी रहा हूँ. So you can use an idiom for it, that is in the lap of luxury. I am living in the lap of luxury. सब ऐशो आराम की ज़िंदगी जीना चाहते हैं. एवरी वन वॉन्ट्स टू लिव इन द लैप ऑफ लग्जरी. एवरी वन वॉन्ट्स टू लिव इन द लैप ऑफ लग्जरी. हम ऐशो आराम से नहीं जीते हैं. इट मीन्स यू डोंट हैव मनी सो दैट यू कैन बी इन द कंफर्टेबल सिचुएशन टू लिव योर लाइफ. वी डोंट लिव इन द लैप ऑफ लग्जरी. ये गुस्से में हुआ. इट हैपन्ड इन द हीट ऑफ द मूवमेंट. इट हैपन्ड इन द हीट ऑफ द मूवमेंट. इट इज़ पास्ट एंड डेफिनेट टेंस. मैंने उसे गुस्से में गाली दे दी. आई एब्यूज्ड हिम इन द हीट ऑफ द मूवमेंट. आई एब्यूज्ड हिम इन द हीट ऑफ द मूवमेंट. उसने यह गुस्से में कहा. ही सैड इट इन द हीट ऑफ द मूवमेंट. ही सैड इट इन द हीट ऑफ द मूवमेंट. तुम्हारी अच्छी याददाश्त है. When you have the capacity to remember something for a long period of time, you have a good memory. That person called that you have a good memory. मैं उदास महसूस कर रहा था. I was feeling blue. I was feeling blue. Feeling blue मतलब उदास महसूस करना. It is also an idiom. तुम भारत की शान हो. You are pride of India. You are pride of India. लगता है कि वो उदास महसूस कर रहा है. It seems that he is feeling blue. It seems that he is feeling blue. जब मैं उस समय के बारे में सोचता हूँ, when I think about that time, when I think about that time, मुझे बहुत गुस्सा आता है. It makes me so angry. It makes me so angry. It is present indefinite tense. मैं उदास होने लगा. I started feeling blue. I started feeling blue. मानो या ना मानो ये सच है. Believe it or not, it's true. Believe it or not, it's true. It is a contraction of it and is. उसकी शक्ल पर मत जाओ. Don't judge him by his face. Don't judge him by his face. मेरी सारी कोशिश मिट्टी में मिल गई. My all attempts came to nothing. My all attempts came to nothing when you're trying to achieve something and it doesn't benefit you at all. हमारी सारी कोशिश मिट्टी में मिल गई. All of our efforts came to nothing. All of our efforts came to nothing. मेरी सारी मेहनत मिट्टी में मिल गई. All my hard work came to nothing. All my hard work came to nothing. वो मेरी छाती तक भी नहीं पहुंचता है in terms of height. He doesn't even come up to my chest. He doesn't even come up to my chest. अब मैं मुद्दे की बात पर आता हूँ. Now I come to my main point. Now I come to my main point. Here comes our question of the day. So comment down below the translation of the sentence, that is TV की आवाज़ कम कर दो. When the volume of TV is too high, somebody can tell you to turn it down. So you have to translate. ये मेरे अभी ध्यान में आया है. It has recently come to my attention. It has recently come to my attention. इसे देखो. You must have so many ways to say one sentence. You can also say have a look, or in attractive way you can say get an eyeful of this. क्या तुम साफ साफ देख सकते हो? Can you see clearly? Can you see clearly? Can is a modal verb used as. मैंने सब कोशिश कर ली हैं. I have tried everything under the sun. I have tried everything under the sun. मैंने तुमसे कहा वो लाने के लिए. I told you to bring that. I told you to bring that. It is past and definite tense. मेहनत करने के बजाय तुम अपना समय बर्बाद कर रहे हो. Instead of working hard, you are wasting your time. Instead of working hard, you are wasting your time. तुम समय की कीमत कब समझोगे? When will you learn the importance of time? When will you learn the importance of time? तुम्हें इसके लिए मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी. To get something, to achieve something, definitely you have to put your efforts. You will have to work hard for it. You will have to work hard for it. इसे पाना आसान नहीं है. It's not easy to get it. It's not easy to get it. To is working as infinitive over here. तुमने मुझे समय की सही कीमत समझा दी. You taught me the correct value of time. You taught me the correct value of time. मैंने उसे समय की सही कीमत समझाई. I taught him the correct value of time. I taught him the correct value of time. मुंह बंद रखो, तुम्हें कुछ नहीं पता. Shut up, you don't know anything. Don't is a contraction of do and not. Over here, shut up, you don't know anything. मैं कुछ सुनना नहीं चाहता हूँ. I don't want to hear anything. I don't want to hear anything. क्या मैं तुम्हें पागल लगता हूँ? Do I look like a fool to you? Do I look like a fool to you? तुम मुझसे इस तरह कैसे बात कर सकते हो? How can you talk to me like that? How can you talk to me like that? अपनी आवाज़ नीची करो. Lower your voice when somebody is scolding you and he is elder. So if you try to match his voice, so somebody can say तुम किस बारे में बात कर रहे हो? What are you talking about? What are you talking about? मैंने तुम्हें मना करके बहुत बड़ी गलती कर दी. I made a blunder by refusing you. I made a blunder by refusing you. प्यार कोई खेल नहीं है. Love is not a game. Love is not a game. कान खोलकर सुन लो. You better listen up. You better listen up. मैं आपके लिए चीनी लाता हूँ. When you make insipid tea for somebody, you forgot to put sugar. So you can say let me get some sugar for you. Let me get some sugar for you. अभी तुम्हें ज़िंदगी की कीमत नहीं पता. Now you don't know the value of life. Now you don't know the value of life. बच्चों को स्कूल से कौन लेने जाएगा? Who will get the kids from school? Who will get the kids from school? From is a preposition over here. It is future indefinite tense. मैं तुम्हें हंसाऊंगा. I will make you laugh. I will make you laugh. In order to make somebody laugh, you must have to crack some jokes. किसी ने मुझे ऐसा कुछ नहीं बताया है. Nobody has told me anything like this. Nobody has told me anything like this. मैं तुमसे गाड़ी चलवाऊंगा. I will make you drive a car. It means somebody is treating you as a driver. Just jokes apart. I will make you drive a car. मैं तुमसे घर साफ करवाऊंगा. I will make you clean the house. I will make you clean the house. Next sentence is मैं तुमसे खाना बनवाऊंगा. I will make you cook food. It means you are not interested but somebody is forcing you. I will make you cook food. तुम कब पढ़ोगे? When will you study? In this lockdown, everybody's parent is asking that when will you study? So, तुम अभी कहाँ हो? Where are you right now? Somebody is asking about you that where are you at the moment भी बोल सकते हैं या फिर ऐसे बोल सकते हैं where are you right now. मुझे चैलेंज मत करो या फिर मुझे चुनौती मत दो. Don't challenge me. It is imperative sentence by the way for your kind of information. Don't challenge me. मुझे चुनौतियाँ पसंद नहीं हैं. I don't like challenges. I don't like challenges. It is present indefinite tense. क्या तुम मुझे जानते हो? Do you know me? Do you know me? It is present indefinite tense. I am his brother. Will you stop me? I am his brother. Will you stop me? तुम मेरे साथ ऐसा कैसे कर सकते हो? How can you do so to me? How can you do so to me? हम इस बारे में बाद में बात करेंगे. We will discuss about it later. We will discuss about it later. तुम यहाँ क्यों आए हो? Why have you come here? Why have you come here? मैं तुमसे यहाँ बात नहीं कर सकता. I can't talk to you here. I can't talk to you here. यह सही जगह नहीं है. It's not the right place to discuss on any topic. So you can say it's not the right place. तुमने मुझसे मना कर दी है. You have refused me. You have refused me. जब तक मैं उससे बात नहीं करता तब तक मैं कहीं नहीं जाऊंगा. I will not go anywhere until I talk to him. I will not go anywhere until I talk to him. मैं इस बारे में पूरी तरह भूल गया. I completely forgot about it. I completely forgot about it. इसमें इतना समय क्यों लगेगा? Why will it take so much time? Why will it take so much time? आपको मुझे एक मौका देना चाहिए. You should give me a chance to prove myself to do something good, something beneficial to you. सो यही थे आज के कुछ डेली यूजिंग सेंटेंसेस. मिलता हूँ आपसे नेक्स्ट वीडियो लेसन के साथ. तब तक के लिए देखते रहिए इंग्लिश का ज्ञान यूट्यूब चैनल एंड कीप सपोर्टिंग, कीप शेयरिंग एंड कीप लाइकिंग माई वीडियो. Meet you in the next one and catch you in the next one. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram, and share this video with your friends. Whoever wants to learn English through these types of daily use English sentences. So meet in the next video. Catch you in the next video. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.